Here from simpleprogrammer.com. I'm in Switzerland. I'm at Jean Frojacq. Took a train up here and I did a couple of videos up here, but I thought I'd do another video and answer a question that I got here. So I'll show you the scenery here. It's pretty cool. Kind of a contrast from Lake Geneva, where I was at yesterday, where basically hot and jumping in the water, and now there's snow all over the ground. But anyway, I got this question. I'll kind of paraphrase it here. I got this question asking about starting a business, and he asked, I can't remember the name now, we'll call him Joe, but Joe asked, he said that he had been saving up money, him and his business partner are doing freelancing work, and he saved up $11,000 and $13,000 respectively, and he wanted to know if he should save up more money or if he should start a business. He said his monthly expenses were roughly around $1,000 a month, which is pretty good, that's pretty cheap, and he wanted to know, I'm getting hit with a snowball. Got attacked with a snowball, but he wanted to know if he should start his business now or save up more money, and what he should do, if he should like try and buy and sell stuff is what his idea is. So I've got some advice here, some of an idea. I've done some videos on starting a business. I think maybe we've got a playlist or something like that, but I know I've talked about like what you need and kind of the plan, how to quit your job. I think I've done a video on that. We'll see if we can find that. But what I would suggest in this case is actually pulling the money together and possibly going to a site like flippa.com. And I mean, if you really want to get into business right away and you don't have an idea, and looking for an existing business, if you just want to have a business and your expenses are low enough that you could probably buy a business for somewhere around $25,000, maybe $30,000. That'll probably generate you $1,000 or $2,000 a month. That's probably what you could do. Maybe even cheaper. I mean, maybe you can find something more expensive and finance it. But really try to find something around the $20,000 to $25,000 range that you can use your skills as a programmer to add value to make it better and to make more money. And if you really only need about $1,000 a month worth of expenses, and maybe between the two of you $2,000, then you can probably do that, and that'll save you a lot of time. Right now, if you had an idea, if you want to build a side project or something, that's the other option, is you've got enough time. If you've saved up about $11,000 and you've got the only $1,000 a month expense that you're spending every month in order to live, that buys you about a year, almost a year worth of time to start and build a business, which I think within a year worth of time you could definitely have a business that makes $1,000 a month. Now, the only reason why I would suggest the first one in this case is because you don't really, at least from this video or from this email, it sounds like you don't have any real business experience and you haven't run something. If you take something that you've already that someone's already built and you can take it over and run it, even though it might not be making a lot of money and it might not be super successful at first, it's going to give you that experience. It's going to kind of shortcut you. That's probably what I would do, like nowadays, if I were trying to start a business from scratch, especially if I didn't have a great idea. Of course, the kind of business I recommend is one that's based on an audience, like I do at Simple Programmer here, but that takes time. It takes 4 or 5 years to build up the audience and then to sell something. But if you just want to get into business right away, that's probably a really good option. You don't need a whole bunch of cash, and you don't want to have, you don't want to save up, like $80,000, $90,000, $100,000. Try to build a business, get a loan, or invest in buying a business, and then have it flop, because you have to realize that the first business venture you do will probably flop. You're going to make a lot of mistakes, you're going to learn a lot of things, but you got to go through those failures in order to hit success. So anyway, I'm going to keep this kind of short because it's kind of cold out here and I got to get moving along. I got to catch a train back. But anyway, I hope that helps you. If you got some questions about this topic, definitely leave a comment below and I'll go into more detail in some more videos. But I definitely check out a site like flippa.com. And all right, so that's all I got for you. Make sure you click the subscribe button. Make sure you click the bell so you don't miss any of these videos. I'm doing some cool videos here as I'm traveling around. I'll talk to you later.